Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today we got this puppy right here, the Haycide. This is the Haycide H155 power bank. This puppy right here normally goes for $69.99. I did get it for $49.99 at the time that it was on sale. Let's get into the details. Very simple. It's on the box this time. They got all the detail on the box. It's a 155 watt power bank, fast charging. So it has fast charging. It has two USB-C, one USB-A, see-through design with unique monitor. I mean, it has a screen that you can watch the monitor. It is a 20,000 milliamp hour battery with a 72 watt hour airline safe power station, pass through charging capabilities, and 1.5 hour charging time. So that's it. Pretty straightforward. Hey, but before we get to the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. The more thumbs up we get and the more you share it to other people, the deeper into the YouTube algorithm I go, and it tells YouTube, hey, people want to actually see this person right here. So without further ado, let's get into the Eagle Eye View. Okay, welcome to the Eagle Eye View. This is what the box would look like. This is everything I read, so you can see everything on the back as well. All right, okay, power bank. Let's go ahead. We're gonna use this right here as the unboxing knife today. Don't really need it, but hey, why not? Put it up so I won't cut myself. Let's see what my money gives me. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so you got me. All right. Haycide. Okay, we got the booklet and everything. So that's how it turns off. I'll give you a little quick start. We have the actual unit, and we'll get to that in a minute. Okay, they gave us. Okay, I like that. They gave us a nice carrying case. I like that. Go ahead, Haycide. All right, let's see how thick the wires are, though. Let's see, did they cheap out on the wires? It don't feel braided. All right, so okay, this is not bad. All right, so these wires have to be rated for the capacity, so it's not bad. They're thick. They're thicker than the Snicker. So there you go. So we have USB to USB-C. We have that there. Anything else in here? Nothing else. As you can see, put all that to the side. Sorry for shaking that. All right, so this is what we got here. So let me go ahead and take this off. All right, so that's how that looks. Okay, so we got up here, we have USB-A out, in and out, and out. Okay, that's good. Do not cover, make it hot. Okay, it has a nice see-through design at the bottom. Okay, so that's about it. I was gonna turn it on, and the way you turn it on, hit the button once. You can see it's coming on, and then what you're gonna do, so that's it. So as you can see, it's at 73%. Now, guys, I did have to charge it up, and it didn't take that long to get it to 73%. But it came dead, so the battery was dead. So that's how everything looks. So you can see here, everything. I'm trying to get it so it can clear up a little bit right there. Sorry, guys, trying to get cleared up so you can see everything that's on the screen. This is your input. This is your output. It lets you know which port you're using. It also, let's go back on. Just cut it back on. It don't stay on that long. And you can see the temperature, and you see how much is charged up. So that's how it looks right there, guys. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and weigh it let you see how it looks when it's charging up, and then we're gonna charge up some items. All right, okay. Let's go. I'm gonna see how much it weighs. 475 grams. That means it's gonna be pretty heavy, guys. So what you want to do, you might not want to take 2 of these, or you just might want to take one with you in your book bag or on your travels. All right, guys. Okay, everybody, before we get to charging it up, I want to let you know you're going to charge it with the in and out. This is 100 watts. This is 18 watts. And this one is 30 watts. Okay, so we're going to use the same cord that came with it. It's right here. So we're just going to plug this in here first. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it in the right one. And as you see, it's already at 75. As you can see, it is charging up. Now that plug, right, just straight into the outlet, we're going to let it stop and see how much wattage it's getting. So you get about 14.24 watts input. All right, from there. Okay, so I'm going to take that out. And what we're going to do, guys, we're going to go ahead and put this big boy right here in there. Put it in the first one here. And now we'll see. Now it's climbing. See how high I get. Okay, so we got up to 90 watts input. So it's going to be able to charge very fast if you get up to 91 watts input. All right, I got one more thing for you. What we're going to do, we're going to take it off, and we're going to go ahead and put it in the Samsung one. See how many watts that give it. So you just know. So the Samsung fast charging is going to give you about 22.96 watts. So there you go, guys. So that's how it looks when it's charging up. Let's go see how many things we could charge up at the same time. Back, let's see what we can do to get this thing charged up. I do got my wires right here that we're going to be using. All right, so we're going to use the wire that came with it first. All right, so we're going to go ahead. We're going to put this in. Make sure that it's turned on. That is on. So we're going to go ahead and do the phone first. All right, guys, phone first. And it's charging. And it says charging rapidly. All right, let's do that one more time. It says charging rapidly, as you can see. And it tells you how many watts is given to the phone. So there you go. So there you go, around about 18, 19, 20 watts. All right, so take this off. And now we're going to go ahead and the tablet. Let's see how the tablet go. As you see, it's coming on. It's going to take a couple of seconds. There you go. And you see the lightning. Sorry for shaking it. You see the lightning. That triple lightning is super fast charging. And then we can check here and see how many watts it's giving it. So again, giving it about 18, 19 watts. All right, because it's almost charged all the way up from what I'm seeing. So it's not going to, it's 93%. So it's going to slow down the charging. There you go. All right, so that is working. So we see we got 2 things that we charged up so far. And so we got this. We have I'm trying to turn it on so you can see that is on. And as you see, it is on. There it goes on. So we're going to see how much charge it's going to give it. We'll plug it up right there. And we're going to see. There you go. So it's given 88.40 some watts. There you go. So it's working. So we're just going to keep that connected there. As you can see, we got the maximum here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to plug this up, and plug this up. So we got 3 plugs in here all together. So we still got the laptop charging. So we can go ahead and we're going to charge up. Yeah, if it works that way, as you can see, there it goes, it's charging up. Give it a couple of seconds, see how. There you go. So you can see supercharging. And now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and see if we can charge this up too. We got 3 things: phone, tablet, and we got this. Okay, let's do this one more time. And it says charging. So it don't say super fast charging. It says charging because that's not a super fast spot. So there you go. So now what we're going to do, one more thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off. Take this out. Take this out. Take this out. Now, we're going to put this in, out, and in. And as you can see, it's switching. It lets you know that that's the one that's charging up. Now, the thing is, the one you put in is going to, like if I put everything in now, it's going to only register that. So as you can see, it's registering. And we're going for the phone, which is right here. You're going to see how much is that registering. And as you see, it registers. So every time you put it out, you're only using that one outlet, it's going to register. Now, if you're using all 3, the one that you start off with, most likely is going to register first. So there you go, guys. That's what it look like when you charge everything up. So we got 3 things charging up. Now, would I charge up 3 things? No. But if it's a tablet, 2 phones, earbuds, that's fine. All right, guys, let's get back to the regular view. Give you my final thoughts and give this puppy a grade. Yo, I'm back to give you my final thoughts on the Haycide H155 power bank. Guys, I really do like it. All right, let's get it. Let's get down to it. Finishing design, I do like the way it's designed. I do like the see-through. I do like the fact that it's see-through. Also, I really do like the digital display, the display right here, which gives you the wattage input, wattage output. And it lets you also know which port you're currently using, the temperature, and it tells you how much is charged up. So I do like the way they designed that. And the fact that it came with an extra something, which is a pouch, I love it. And the cord was thick, so I do like that. So I give that a 5. Finishing design to give it a 5. The ports comes with 3 ports. 100-watt port, that's C1. C2 would be 30 watts, and the USB-A would be 18 watts. I think that's plenty for this size. I mean, it's still, what, 400 and some odd grams, which is heavy, but you can't get something that's going to charge up your laptop, charge up certain things, and it'd be light, guys. So it's going to, if you need something that's going to charge up anything that you throw at it, this can do it. You saw that we charged it up. We charged 3 things at one time. I would never do that, but if you need to, you can, as long as you got enough juice in here. So the ports, I'm going to give it a 5. Normally I would do price by itself, but price, I would say price to milliamp to wattage. I think you're getting for that price, you're getting a very good product. You get 20,000 milliamp hours, 155 watts. And it's priced at right now $59.99. I think that's a good price to be able to get all 3 of those things. Now, can you find something cheaper? Yes, they always got some on Amazon on sale. As far in the power bank section, probably could find something maybe lower than this, but you're not gonna get that 100-watt 20,000 milliamp hours and be able to get those ports. Some come with only two ports. So 3 ports and all that. I think the price to all that, I give it a 4. You can't find something cheaper. You probably can't find something a little bit more powerful, maybe a little less powerful, but still have a little bit more ports. So, I think the price for $59.99 is good. So I give that a 4. So you add all that up, it's a 4.6. I think it's worth it. Now, I know some people are going to say, well, long term, people say, well, how, I don't know. I'm telling you how, when I open it, it works when it comes out the box. It charged up. Now it was dead, so you might get it if you get one. It will be in the description below if you want to get one. Charge it up before you use it. You want to charge it all the way up, which I am going to charge it all the way up. So if anything changed, I'll do a follow-up video. I know sometimes you get stuff from Amazon and there's a bad batch. And so some people get that bad batch, that one that's, came off the bad batch, off that assembly line, the bad batch one. I don't know how to say it right, but you get one of the ones that's bad. And, you say, oh, it don't work. No, mine's work. I still got batteries that somebody said, well, the one I got didn't work. Well, the one I got still works. So guys, sometimes you do get a bad one. If it is bad, just return it, get your money back, or get another one and see if that one's good. So as of right now, unless it gives me some problems, it's a 4.6, guys. Hey, before we go, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, and share this with somebody that might need something like this. Guys, listen to me. I told my daughter today, I showed her I have some extra ones, in my office. If the lights ever go out, they can charge up everything they have. So I'm just letting you know, when you get something like this on sale, go ahead and pick it up and just charge it up, leave it in your house, or take it with you. So if something happens, you can charge up your item. So please give me a like, share, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and and share it with somebody that might need it. Okay, guys. All right, yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another video. Guys, we got some more videos coming up soon this week. So hey, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you be notified anytime we drop a new unboxing. You have a good day.